Hey guys, Stuart here, welcome back to another tutorial. Today's focus is to show you how you can build apps and tools for your Google Sites website. I'll share how you can leverage AI for free to generate any kind of tool or app that you can think of by simply adding a prompt. Describe the tool or app that you want to create for your website, then we'll copy the AI generated code and add that to our website. And that's simply going to add an interactive tool or app to your Google Sites website. Okay, so with that covered, let's dive into this tutorial. As you can see, I'm currently inside Google Sites, and here we have a pizza website. I want to create some kind of interactive menu that I can embed on this website. And again, this is my example. You can create any kind of tool or app that you want to add to your website. First, we need to generate the code with AI to build the app or tool. And we're going to use Canva AI for this. Simply head over to canva.com and then go ahead and sign up for free if you currently do not have a Canva account. Then navigate down to the left-hand side and locate Canva AI. Then navigate over to Code for Me and describe the tool or app that you want to create. You can also see some of these prompt templates that you can customize the way that you like. Okay, so as I mentioned, I want to create an interactive menu for my restaurant. I'm going to click here, and that's going to generate the prompt up here. Now we can make some customizations to this prompt. Create a modern, build your own order, interactive menu without images. I'm going to change this to with images, and I'm going to add interactive pizza menu. Start with an example for, I'm going to change this restaurant name to Sam's Pizza. Featuring, I'm going to change this to 3 pizza base types. And I'm going to add the details of those 3 pizza base types in here. Okay, so again, I've added featuring 3 pizza base types: thin base $3, gluten-free base $5, and thick dish base $7. Then add an add-on section for 12 to 15 common pizza ingredients that cost an additional $2 each. However, for most restaurants, you'll have your own menu items that you want to add here. I'm just creating an example, so I've added a generic 12 to 15 common pizza ingredients. Then we have this other information that we can customize the way that we like, and then when you're happy with your prompt, go ahead and generate. Give Canva AI a moment to generate your code. This can take between 1 to 2 minutes. Canva AI will generate your code and build your app. And as you can see, the interactive menu has been created. Sam's Pizza, build your perfect pizza, choose your base. For example, let's go ahead and select gluten-free base, then navigate down to add your toppings. Here we have the toppings. And then if we navigate down here, we have your pizza, the gluten-free base. You can see the price over here and the add-ons I selected. Pretty cool, huh? If we navigate over to the left-hand side, we can answer a few of these questions. Now, I already customized the initial prompt, so some of these questions are not relevant. Now, we can continue building out this app, tool, or widget by adding what we want to customize or add to this output. For example, please replace the color associated to each add-on ingredient with images of each ingredient. So at the moment, you can see we have these different colors. I want to add images instead. Let's go ahead and hit generate. Again, give AI a moment to generate your response and make those changes. As you can see, I'll replace the color circles with actual ingredient images using SVG illustrations for a more realistic and appealing look. You can see the images being generated down here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the response that has been generated. Now, if we navigate over to the app on the right-hand side, you can see these little icon images have been added. I'm happy with that. That adds an additional visual element to this menu. Okay, so what you want to do is take the time to add customizations, add your prompts until you're happy with your app, widget, or tool. Then what we can do is navigate up to Show Code and then click on Copy Code. And now all we need to do is navigate back over to Google Sites. Hey guys, just quickly before we get back to this video, I just want to mention my Sheetify CRM, an all-in-one business toolkit and CRM built with Google Sheets and designed for Google users. You can simply manage leads, customers, tasks, engage in email marketing, manage your inventory, tickets, and more. The great part is I've made this Sheetify CRM a one-time payment, no subscriptions, unlimited access, and future updates. If you're interested in learning more, you can find the link to my Sheetify CRM down below in the description. Okay, so with that covered, let's go ahead and get back to this video. And within our Sam's Pizza Google Sites website, let's navigate over to menu. And you can see we have a menu over here. I'm going to quickly go ahead and delete these. And now let's navigate over to embed, then select embed code and paste in the code here. Then hit next. And as you can see, this is what has been generated. Let's click on insert. And then all we need to do is change the sizing, drag out the bottom as well, until you're happy with the sizing of your tool or app. For us, this is more of a widget, an interactive menu widget. Okay, so when you're happy, go ahead and preview before publishing. And you can see the interactive menu here. The user can select the base type as well as the toppings, and then they can see the total price down here. Pretty cool, huh? The great thing about these apps, tools, or widgets is they are responsive across devices. Here we can see this widget on tablet. Then if we select mobile, this is what it looks like on mobile. Okay, let's close out of this. Hey, just quickly before we get back into this tutorial, if you're getting value from this video, please drop a like and subscribe. This means a lot to me and ultimately helps us reach and help more small business owners across YouTube. Thank you in advance, and with that quick note, let's jump back into this video. And as you can see, it's as simple as that to build apps, tools, or widgets using AI and then embedding them on your website. If you're interested in diving deeper into Google Sites tutorials, I will add relevant tutorials down below in the description for you to check out. Again, that is it for this tutorial. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.